Live Net Zero challenge number 1, commuting. So I mainly work from home. I commute to the office sometimes, maybe once a week or twice a week. I can bike there really easily. It's like a 3-kilometer bike ride. Jessica works from home all the time, so we have fairly little commuting in the week. We do have some kids activities and some personal activities like rock climbing that we take our electric car, but we can mostly do most of the things with our electric car during the week. The biggest commute that we have is for our adventures. So we love taking adventures or doing adventures. We have a lot of sports that we like to practice in the outdoors, and the way we do that is usually with this big trailer, and so that's what we usually take on our trips. To pull the big trailer, we need a big truck. So this is consumes a lot more gas than our electric car that actually doesn't consume any gas, obviously. So what we're going to try to do this weekend is see if we can let go of that lifestyle, pulling the big trailer with the big truck, and go down or go back to camping in a tent. So we're going to try to go camping in a tent with 3 kids in our 10-year-old EV. So that's the challenge for this weekend. Put that? Where are you gonna put that? Alright, luckily we have a 5-year-old that could put his feet on there, I guess. Do you mind stopping to charge?
Okay, so do you want it in over there? Or in the middle? Then, no, not in the middle.
I think this is good
to put on. Can you open that for me? I have no idea how. I think you're smarter than me. Can't we take a pedal boat? Oh. I shot it!
One of the reasons we go on outdoor adventures is to foster our relationship as a family and appreciate the amazing outdoor spaces we have access to. We got a trailer when the kids were really young, and we felt like we needed it to keep adventuring outdoors. But the kids are growing up now, and they can actually help out. Every time we get in the outdoors, we're reminded how important it is to protect the environment.
The Live Net Zero Challenge really made us think hard about how we wanted to do our outdoor adventures. And after this weekend, we're really convinced that we want to go a lot leaner using our electric car or an electric car to do our camping adventures.
What is your comment about our camping location?
Nothing.
Say it again.
I'm really happy about our campsite location because it was close to the showers.